How deep is your love for me? Yeah. Iyo nguzi sisuyaza. Yeah. Baby, you're sweet like a pineapple. Oh darling, I took a bite and I fell in love, yeah. Najua kuna milima na kuna mabonde, tutakwenda wote. Wanna be the best man. Oh, oh, oh. I'm gonna show you love, my woman. Oh, oh, oh. This kind of love, oh love, hutoipata kwa hela of love. Of love, ooh, this kind of love, of love, hutoipata kwa sponsor of love, of love. Would you call me honey? Would you call me baby? Would you kiss me daily? Hey baby, you're my addiction. I'll be here for a good time. Hey, a good time. I can stay for a long time.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel, and in this new video we're going to do a mirror challenge makeup. And together with that, you're gonna do something that maybe, for example, you have not seen. I normally apply powder before applying my foundation, and today I'm going to show you how we do it, because many people apply foundation and then later powder, but then I'm going to apply powder first and then foundation and then powder. That way makeup can stay long on your face, and then you won't be sweating or shining at the end, you know. So we're going to need eye pencil, you're going to need foundation, you're going to need your powder, you're going to need your mascara, you're going to need your lipstick, you're going to need your highlighter. Yeah, stay tuned. And hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, my name is Lynet AMIMO, and today we're going to do a makeup video. I've never done this before, but today I just want to show you something simple that I normally do in my makeup when I do it. So maybe some of you they don't know this, and some of you know this, but in my makeup I'm not going to use the foundation before, but I'm going to use the powder, and I don't know if it's going to give it a beautiful look. Maybe sometimes I'm always beautiful, I don't know. So, but that's how I apply my makeup. I don't put the foundation before on my face. I put the powder. I don't put the primer. I don't put all those things, and I just use just few things to apply my makeup, and it'll only take like 10 minutes and I'm done. So let's get started, and I hope you're gonna enjoy this video.
Even if you're not around, see you, baby. I feel you, baby. I see you, baby. Even if you're not around, hey. Umenishika nishika mateka, zaidi yako sijaonaga. Umenishika nishika mateka mihoi. I can't breathe, I can't breathe.
So I just went ahead and did my eyebrows. I know they look funny, but I've not shaped them. So right now I'm going to use my foundation, and this time I'm going to use Fit Me. Imagine this makeup. It's so guile. It's so good. It's a good one, by the way, guys. So I'm going to use as foundation this one. I'm not going to apply any primer like I told you. I applied the foundation, the powder, and then now I'm going to put on this one. So, and it's going to give a very good change.
Baby, you're sweet like a pineapple. Oh, darling, I took a bite and I fell in love, yeah. Najua kuna milima na kuna mabonde, tutakwenda wote. Wanna be the best man. Oh, oh, oh. I'm gonna show you love, my woman. Oh, oh, oh. This kind of love. Oh, love. Tuipata kwa hela of love. Oh, love. Ooh. This kind of love. Oh, love. Tuipata kwa sponsor of love. Oh, love. Would you call me honey? Would you call me?
We are going to apply now the eyeshadow. I hope it's blending. I'm just, like I told you, I'm going to be very simple with this makeup, and I'm going to use this. I don't know, it's from Maybelline, something, yeah, blonde. I'm going to apply. I'm gonna be just simple with the makeup. With this type of makeup, you can go with it anywhere. Rosemary Vendors, or I don't know her second name, she must teach me how to do this. Guys, doing this without the mirror is so hard. Doing this without a mirror is so hard. Guys, right now I'm going to go in again with my powder, and then we apply the other things. I was applying the eyeshadow so that it falls on the skin, and then now I can brush it off with the powder. Yeah, I'm gonna use the same powder, and then I apply it on top. We applied the powder and then foundation and then the powder, so that you can have that smooth look, you know, and the makeup can stay for long too. I'm just showing you what I normally do when I want to go out or anywhere. So, like I said, applying this thing without a mirror is so hard. I don't even know if it's blending. I'm looking at my phone. It's time for the eyeliner. I don't know how I'm going to apply it. Keep quiet, Papa. I don't know how I'm going to apply it to the without the mirror. Let me try. I tried. Oh, stop, Lynet. Oh, I messed it up. I had to finish the other part because it was so hard without the mirror. So let me now apply the mascara. But I hope you got the point which I was saying, that when you start with the powder, it gives you a beautiful look, a smooth look. So I'm not a profi. I'm just showing you what I do when I want to go anywhere. So I'm not. Right now I'm going to go in with my blender. It got spoiled when I was traveling from Kenya. I don't know what they are doing with the suitcase. Anyway, I'm going to put it some here. Oh, not bringing that look. Yeah, it's popping. I did not put all those concealer and all those things. No, you can put some here if you want, but I don't like it. I don't like putting it here. Just to be sharp, you know. Anyway, and then I'm going to use my finger and I put some here. Oh, that's too much. For my lipstick, I'm gonna go in with my MAC or Ruby Woo. It's called Ruby Woo, and I love this lipstick. Okay, it's not my favorite, but let's use it for now. So you have to make sure your lips doesn't have any dead skin. You know, you wipe your lips well, and then now you can go in with the Ruby Woo. So right now we're gonna check again our highlighter, and then we just put small amount, and then we put it here. You gotta use your finger. So and then what do you see until now? What do you think about it? Never mind, my eyeliner is not that perfect. My eyelashes is not that perfect. I just wanted you to see the way I apply my makeup. For my blush, I'm going in with the MAC blush. I love it so much. It's called Lovejoy Mineral Blush. Oh god, that is so nice, you know. And that's how it looks like. I'm just gonna take some few like there and apply it here. I'm not going to do the other part. So this is actually what I was trying to do. When you have that finishing spray, you can spray it. I don't have it at the moment, and I'm just going to leave it this way. So when you apply that powder, I think you can see the difference, and I love it so much. try and do it and then let me know on the comment section. And I love my makeup. Thank you so much guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and to give me a thumbs up and to turn the bell notification on so that you don't miss the next video. Thank you for staying here with me and watching the whole video. I love